Hello friends, welcome back, and I'm Faraz Shaikh, and today we have a special guest in our channel, Mr. Joel, and he's from PerfectXL, where his product allow you to compare two Excel workbook, and it will give you and great stuff. And before I speak more about that product, so he's here, and I'll just give him the screen to show us and demo about the product. Hi Joel, how are you doing?
Hey Faraz, I'm doing super well. Thank you for inviting me. I'm
Yeah,
really excited.
yeah, me too. So, can you just tell us something about your product, Perfect Excel? Because I've already seen the product; it's really amazing, and we saw your demo on Excel Days Bulgaria. That was really
Yeah.
cool. So, why not quickly, if you can show us, our friends, what this product can do and how it can help us?
Yeah, for sure. So a really quick introduction behind the tool. We didn't develop this ourselves. We did it in a collaboration with a university here in the Netherlands, the Technical University of Delft. And we saw that spreadsheet comparison was a real problem and a real thing that a lot of people worked with, and that the current tools weren't fully fulfilling the needs. So we created this tool to try to just be simple and straightforward. So as you can see here, I've got the tool up on my screen, and here I have two versions of a spreadsheet. I can just simply click and drag these versions right into the tool. The comparison, 94% of comparisons that we tested run within 1 second, so it's super quick. Here you've got a summary overview of all the things that have changed. So you see there was some data insertions, an edit, and some deletions. We see some formula insertions and some edits and some deletions and a little bit of structure changes. That's in the first tab, so the summary. You can click on any of these to see exactly what has changed in those areas. But what most people do is they'll go to the worksheets first, and they'll see an overview of all the worksheets in the spreadsheet and see how those have changed, right? So we see that daily profit has become weekly profit and it's shifted in location. And we see that there's been deletions in sales, there's been edits in salary, and there's been insertion in work hours. Now, if you want to see an overview of all the differences that were made between the two versions, you can just go to the Differences tab, and there you will see all the differences made in your spreadsheet, worksheet by worksheet, right? You can see right here also in the bottom, I don't know if it'll be readable, but there's also a legend that tells you about it. But the eyes crossed are the hidden worksheets, and you see the little lock is a protected worksheet. And then we've given colors to each of the balls to see what changes are inside of the sheet, and then colors to the worksheet itself to see what's changed as to the worksheet as a whole. So you see here, this one's red, that means that the entire worksheet was deleted. And
Okay.
these that are yellow means there's been some change to the worksheet.
And I can see something really amazing, over here that salary cost is already there, and then it was locked, and then somebody has opened the salary cost.
Yes, exactly.
And can we compare this sheet an other way? Like right now, you're comparing the sheet with version 1 with version 2. Can you flip it another way?
Yes, of course. We can also do it the other way around. Just simply click on this arrow right at the middle. What this will do
Oh,
is it'll compare version 2 to version 1. And you'll see everything as insertions rather than deletions, and everything will be flipped. But we do have a smart algorithm within the tool itself that automatically places the older sheet first and the newer sheet second. So usually the way it loads in standard is the most logical way to compare the sheets, but of course you can do it the other way around if you like.
so do I need to keep this Excel workbook always open, or right now I can see you have just drag and drop it.
No, exactly. We've even gone a step further. You don't even need to have Excel installed on your computer to be able to use Perfect Excel. Um, so we don't practically require you to open the spreadsheet at all. We simply run the comparison on the back end because it's a standalone application.
Are you planning to have something on Mac?
Yeah, currently the Perfect Excel tool is only available for Windows, sadly, but we really hope to bring out a Mac version at some point as well. I can't give you an exact time frame on that, but we're definitely working on it here.
Great.
And further than that, also for all the viewers of Faraz's channel, we really want to offer you guys a special discount code because we really believe in people that are trying to advance their Excel capabilities, and we really want to create better spreadsheets. So for people that are dedicated to viewing channels like Faraz's, where they're trying to educate themselves in Excel, we just want to give you guys some discount. So there will be a 25% discount to anybody that's watching Faraz's channel, and there will be a special code that he will link for you guys in the description below. And yeah, that'll give you guys discount to all our tooling.
Oh, thank you so much, Joel. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And thank you for giving your time and being here with us and explaining about this product. and we wish you best of luck for this product. And my friends, if you enjoy watching this video, make sure that you hit the like button, and you enjoy this product, make sure that you download, and the link will be in the below video description. Okay, take care and
See you
bye.
guys.
Bye.
Bye.